Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the App Store on your Hisense TV. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new Hisense TV and you want to install, let's say, Paramount Plus on it. How do you actually go ahead and find the App Store? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is on the upper hand side, there's going to be an option that says Apps. So you can click on this. And then down here is where you're actually going to be able to search for different apps and games. So you can actually type in Paramount here. So if we type in a portion of the actual keyword we're looking for, the app should appear right over here as well. So there we have it. We have Paramount. So we could actually go ahead and install Paramount on the Hisense/Google TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find the App Store on your Hisense/Google TV. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.